Hi dear students, maths 2 marks question. In this video, let us continue from the question number 84. A bag contains 3 red, 2 black and a green marble. If one marble is picked randomly, find the probability of getting a red marble. So now how many marbles are given? First let us go for n of s. N of s is equal to 3 red marble plus 2 black marble. So 3 plus 2 and a green marble. And a green andre 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 will become total 6 marbles are there. If one marble is picked randomly, find the probability of getting a red marble. Now n of a is equal to, so if one marble is picked randomly, find the probability of getting a red marble. How many red marbles are there? 3. Therefore n of a is equal to 3. Now we have to find out p of a. So p of a is equal to question mark. So what is p of a? P of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s. So P of a is equal to n of a is 3 divided by n of s is 6. So therefore P of a probability of getting a red marble is equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are is equal to 1 by 2. That means if you pick 2 marble, out of 2 marble, 1 marble will be definitely red in color. So that is the meaning of 1 by 2. So like this we have to find out the probability of getting a red marble. Now let us move for the 85th question. In 85th question what they have given, find the area of the shaded region. So this shaded region area we have to find out. If ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and so here this is P. So APD and BPC are these two are semicircle. So in between the semicircle you can see the shaded region. You have to find out what will be the area of this shaded region. So now what they have given? They have given length of each side of a circle which is equal to 14 centimeter. Now, if this is a semicircle, if APB is a semicircle, then AD will become the diameter. If the diameter of the semicircle is given as 14, if diameter is equal to 14 centimeter, then what will be the radius? Radius is half of the diameter, which is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of shaded region. So to find the area of shaded region, so what we have to do, from the area of a square, you have to subtract the area of two semicircle. One thing you keep it in your mind, if you add two semicircle, it will become a circle. So when you are writing, you can write like this, area of shaded region is equal to area of a square minus area of two semicircle or area of a square minus area of a circle, because two semicircle when it is joined it will become a circle. So like that you can do in any way. So any one of the way you can do it. So area of shaded region. So let us find out the area of shaded region. So to find the area of the shaded region, area is equal to area of shaded region is equal to, so area of a square, that is length into length, minus area of a circle pi r square. So area is equal to length is 14 into 14 minus 22 by 7 into what is the radius, 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. So area is equal to 14 14s are 196 minus 22 7s are 154. Therefore area of shaded region is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2, then 9 minus 5 is 4, then 1 minus 1 is 0. Area of shaded region is equal to 42 square centimeter. So like this we have to find the area of the shaded region. Then coming to 86th question. So if cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, now we have to find out sin theta as well as we have to find out tan theta. So to find sin theta and tan theta, first you draw one right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, I will take C as theta. So what they have given? So cos theta is given as 4 by 5. If cos theta is 4 by 5, 4 means adjacent, 5 means hypotenuse. So if this is theta, this is opposite side. BC is adjacent and AC is hypotenuse. So cos theta means it is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Then 4, 3 is there, then opposite will be 3 because 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Since 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet, so if they give 5 and 4, then 3 will be the opposite side. So directly you can write 3, if they have given 5, 4, so if 5 is the hypotenuse, 4 is the adjacent, then definitely so opposite will be 3 only, or if opposite is 4, then adjacent will be 3 only, because 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So now cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now let us write sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now let us find out tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 3 and adjacent is 4. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Like this, we have to find out the value of sin theta as well as tan theta. Now coming to 87th question. So in the 87th question, they have given the coordinates as 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4 and k comma 5. This 2 comma 3 you mention it as x1 y1, 3 comma 4 x2 y2 and k comma 5 you mention it as x3 and y3. Now we have to find out the value of k, for which the points are collinear. If this point, for example, this is A point, this is B point and this is C point, all the 3 points are collinear, means area of the triangle will be equal to 0 because all the 3 points are collinear. Now let us use the area of a triangle formula. Area of a triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3. If suppose if this type of problem is given, so if they given that the points are collinear, then you have to put area is equal to area of a triangle is 0, and we have to write the area of a triangle formula half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Area is 0. So 0 is equal to half into what is x1? x1 is 2 into what is y2? It is 4 minus what is y3? It is 5 plus what is x2? 3 y3 5 minus y1 3 plus x3. What is x3? K. x3 is k into what is y1? That is 3. y2 4. So if I multiply 2 here, 0 into 2 becomes 0. So 0 is equal to, so 2 into what is 4 minus 5 minus 1 plus 3 into what is 5 minus 3? It is 2 plus k into what is 3 minus 4? It is minus 1. So now let us go for the next step. So 0 is equal to, so my plus into minus is minus 2 plus 3 2s are become 6 plus into minus is minus k. So now what is minus 2 plus 6? So minus 2 0 is equal to what is minus 2 plus 6? It is 4. So 4 minus k. If I shift minus k this side, it will become k, therefore k is equal to minus k become plus k, and k is equal to what? 4. So like this we have to find out the value of k when the given points of a triangle or the given points are collinear. If the given points are collinear, then the area of the triangle will be 0. Dear student, let us continue the 88th question. Find how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 4. So the two-digit number will start from 10. So 10 is the first two-digit number. 10 cannot be divided by 4. 11 cannot be divided by 4. Therefore, the first two-digit number that is divisible by 4 is 2. 2 plus 16, because you have to add 4, then 20 plus dash dash dash, then 99 is the last two-digit number. So 99 cannot be divisible by 4. 98 cannot be divisible by 4. 97 cannot be divisible by 4. Therefore, the next divisible is 96. So 96, the first two-digit number divisible by 4 is 12, and the last two-digit number that is divisible by 4 is 96. Now what we have to do? So now you multiply. Now you do one thing. So if you want so now let find how many two-digit number he asked. So let us find out. A is equal to 12, D is equal to 4. What is the last term? An is equal to 96. Therefore, n is equal to question mark. So what is the formula for An? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So instead of plus, I will put comma here. So 12 comma 14 16 comma 20 comma 20 comma dash dash. Okay, so ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ sum ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. So how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 4? He has given. An is what? 96. A 12 plus n we don't know, minus 1 into D is 4. 96. If you shift plus 12 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. 96 n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 96 minus 12 is 84. N minus 1 is equal to 84 by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 1s are. N minus 1 is equal to 21. N is equal to 21 minus shift that side plus 1. So n is equal to 21 plus 1 is 22. Therefore, how many two-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 4? There are 22 two-digit numbers are there that are divisible by 4. Then coming to 89th question. In 89th question, so first term is given, then D is given, then An is given, then find, so D is given. So D is given as 3. So A is given, D is given, then An is given. We have to find the number of terms. So let us make a list. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An is equal to 50, then N is equal to question mark. So what is the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An means 50 is equal to A means 5 plus n minus 1 into D means 3. So 50, if you shift plus 5 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 50 minus 5 is 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. N minus 1 is equal to 45. You divide by 3. N minus 1 is equal to 3 1s are 3 15s are. N minus 1 is equal to 15. N is equal to 15 minus 1 become plus 1. N is equal to 15 plus 1 16. Therefore, there are how many terms? There are 16 terms in the given AP. Then find the discriminant of the discriminant and hence find the nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation. So the given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now let us write the standard form for this one. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3. So now find the nature of the roots. Let us go for delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Let us find the discriminant first. Delta is equal to minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a means 2, c means 3. So delta is equal to 4 square becomes 16 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s will become 24. So delta is equal to 16 minus 24 is minus 8. So this is the discriminant of the given quadratic equation. Since delta is lesser than 0, minus 8 means delta is lesser than 0. If delta is lesser than 0, therefore the roots are not real or the roots are imaginary. So this is the nature of the root. What is the nature of the roots? The roots are not real or the roots are imaginary. Then let us go for the 91st question. For what value of k the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to will be equal. Now let us take the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 compared to the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a? It is 2. What is the value of b? It is k. What is the value of c? It is 3. So if the roots are equal, then delta is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of k. So what is the discriminant of the quadratic equation? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta means 0 is equal to b square means k square minus 4 into a means 2 into c means 3. So 0 is equal to k square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are become 24. So k square is equal to, you shift minus 24, it will become 24. So k is equal to, you remove square and you put square root. So k is equal to square root plus or minus square root of 24. So k is equal to plus or minus square root of 24 can be written as 4 6. So k is equal to plus or minus, what is square root of 4? It is 2 root 6. Therefore, the value of k is plus or minus 2 root 6. Like this, we have to find out the value of k when the roots of a given quadratic equation are equal. Now let us go for 92nd question. The 96th question is as like this. Two fair coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability that at most two heads will come on two faces. So now let us go for first let us find the sample space. N of s is equal to, so two fair coins are tossed simultaneously. So what may be the probability? Capital H or capital H small t, capital H capital T. Yet both are heads, one head one tail, or one tail one head, or both are tails. So this is the probability. Therefore, that is the most all the outcomes will be 4. In that one, what he told, at most 2 heads he told. At most 2 heads. At most 2 heads means n of a is equal to, even though there will be no heads also you have to take. Small t, that is H capital H ಇದು at most 2 ಇದೆ. H capital head, tail, head, tail. All the four you have to take. So that is equal to 4. So let us find out P of A. So P of A is equal to question mark. So at most means if the head is not also you have to take. See here no head. Here one is there. Here one is there. Here two is. At most to two means maximum from at most to two means 0, 1, 2. 0 heads that you have to take. If one head is there that you have to take. If two heads are there that also you have to take. So suppose if at most 1 means 0 8 1 8 that one only you have to take. So this is at most means maximum, at least means minimum. So I have to take maximum. Here no 8 is there, that one 0 8 1 8 1 8 2 8. So 0 1 2 like this. If 8 is not there that you have to take. 1 8 is there that you have to take. 2 8 is there that you have to take. So P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. So P of A is equal to N. Therefore, P of A is equal to N of A is 4 and N of S is 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Therefore, the probability is 1. That is, it is sure event, or it is certain event, or sure event. Next, in the given figure, 97th question, DE parallel AC. So DE is parallel to AC and also DF is parallel to AE. Now we have to prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Now I will take the first triangle. In triangle, so I will take that is ABC. In triangle ABC, you observe in triangle ABC, so which is parallel, DE is parallel to AC. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. Now if DE is parallel to AC, you apply the theorem now. So theorem apply, if you apply the theorem, so what it will be there, BD divided by DA by BPT. BD divided by DA is equal to BE divided by EC. BD divided by DA is equal to BE divided by EC. You call this as 1. Now I will take one more triangle. In triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, so which is parallel, in triangle ABE, so which is the parallel, so DF and AE are parallel. So let us write DF parallel AE. If DF is parallel to AE, then BD divided by DA by BPT. So BD divided by DA is equal to BF divided by FE. You call this as 2. Observe 1 and 2. In 1 BD by DA is there. In 2 also BD by 2 DA is there. Therefore 1 is equal to 2. If 1 is equal to 2, so then BE by EC is equal to. Therefore BE divided by EC is equal to BF divided by FE. This one only we have to prove in this question because both are equal. So here also BD by DA, here also BD by DA. If this BD by DA is equal to this one, this BD by DA is equal to this one, then these two are equal to one another. So like this we have to prove this problem. Then coming to 98th question. So in the 98th question, find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So C is equal to 22 centimeter. First you find out the radius. So what is the relation between circumference and radius? C is equal to 2 pi r. C means 22 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius? Radius we don't know. So now r is equal to, so you multiply this 7 to here and you bring this 2 into 22 to the denominator. 22 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. 22 ones are 22 ones are. Then what is the radius? It is equal to 7 by 2. Here 7 is there, here 2 is there. 7 by 2 centimeter. Now let us find out the area of a quadrant. What is the formula for area of a quadrant? 1 by 4 pi r square. Area is equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So now 7 cancel, 2 ones are 2 11s. So therefore area of a quadrant is equal to 11 into 7 77 divided by 4 into 2 is 8. So 77 by 8 centimeter square is the area of a quadrant. So like this we have to find the area of a quadrant. Then coming to 99th question. So use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. So now let us find out the HCF by using Euclid division algorithm. So 135. So from 135 you divide 225. 135 ones are 135. 5 minus 5 is 0. 12 minus 3 is 9. So it is 90. So this can be written as 225 is equal to 135 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 90. Now take this remainder and 135. So 135 should be divided by the remainder. 90 ones are 90. 5 minus 0 is 5. 13 minus 9 is 4. So now this can be written as 135 is equal to, so this is the dividend, is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor is 90 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 45. Then coming to the third step, you take these two, 45 and 90. So you have to do until you get 0. So you have to do it. So 45 and you take 90. So 45 twos are 90. Now we got the remainder as 0. If the remainder is 0, now you see what is the divisor. So now divisor is 45 and that divisor itself is the HCF. Therefore HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Like this we have to find out the HCF of a given number by using Euclid division algorithm. So this can also be written like this. You have to write like this: 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus remainder is 0. Then so today in this session, so now we are completing 2 marks 100 question. So let us go for the 100th question. So next to tomorrow I will start the 3 marks question. So 3 marks 100 questions I will solve it. So let us go for 3 marks let us go for the 100th question of 2 marks. Let us go for the 100th question of 2 marks. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, p of x is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 25. Now we have to find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now let us take the given polynomial 3x square minus 12x plus 25. Now compared to the standard that is quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. So what is a? A is equal to 3. What is b? B is equal to minus 12. What is c? C is equal to 25. Now what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is equal to, so what is minus b by a? Minus what is 12? What is b? Minus 12 divided by a is 3. So minus into minus is plus, 3 ones are 3 fours are alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Now you find out product of the product. Find out alpha beta is equal to C by A. Alpha beta is equal to C is 25 divided by A is 3. So alpha beta is equal to 25 by 3. Now let us find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. So now alpha square plus beta square can be written as, it can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So what, how we can write alpha square plus beta square? Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to, what is alpha plus beta whole square? Alpha plus beta means 4, 4 square minus 2 into, what is alpha beta? It is 25 divided by 3. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 4 square is 16 minus 50 by 3. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to, so 3 is the LCM. So 3 into 16 is 48 minus 50. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. 48 minus 50 is minus 2 divided by 3. Therefore, the value of alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus 2 by 3. So by solving this question, so successfully we have completed, we have solved 100 2 marks question. So in the next video I will start 3 marks question. So 3 marks also I will solve 100, and after completing 3 marks I will go for 4 marks. So thank you. In one video I will solve, I will prove how easily you can prove the theorems related to your 10th standard. So 6 theorems are there. How to write those 6 theorems easily, so without by adding anything, how you can solve that I will show how to prove it, so in the next coming videos. So thank you very much. So you try to solve all these problem without seeing. So all the best. Thank you.